Hey Furies, let me show you how to do a DIY gel manicure at home with Madam Glam. Big shout out to Madam Glam for this video. Madam Glam was so nice to send over some of their gel polishes for me to try and show you guys. This is what it looks like inside of the box. They sent me all these beautiful colors. Can we get an applause for these colors? They are so pretty. They also sent over this really cute mini LED UV lamp, perfect to dry your gel polish, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. They also sent over their base coat and top coat, which is key for a good gel polish application. These are the colors. This is Bahama Mama, this beautiful neon orange. This is Early Bird, this really pretty pastel blue. And then you have Vanilla Sky, this really pastel purple. So pretty. Here are some swatches of the colors, and I cured them to make sure that you guys could see the true pigment of each color. We're gonna start off on clean hands. I already prepped my nails and my cuticles before I started the gel polish process. I'm gonna start off with the base coat just to make the gel polish adhere to my nails. You wanna do a very thin coat of the base coat and make sure you cover your whole nail with this or else your gel polish will lift. I like to cure my thumb separately just because my hand, I don't like how to position my whole hand in the lamp. I rather just, cure my thumb separately. Here I'm putting on the base coat on all my other fingers. If you see my fingers are stained at the top, that is from hair color. Please don't mind that. We're covering it up with gel polish anyway. I just wanted to let you guys know. The formula of this base coat is really nice. I like it a lot. It definitely adhered the color to my nail perfectly. Now we're going to start painting our nails. Make sure you unplug your lamp in case you hit the light. You don't want your LED light to be on while your bottle is open. It will cure your color in the bottle. It's happened to me before. So I'm just going to do a thin layer for my first coat. I'm going to do 2 coats, but this is the first coat. It's going to be very thin. For it to be the first coat though, this color is very opaque. I like the formula a lot. I've messed with a lot of gel polishes, especially since you guys know I worked at Sally Beauty. This formula is actually really good. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's literally just right. You guys will see me here painting my nails a little bit sloppy, but it's okay because I'm going to go back over and clean up my work. I just wanted to get that layer on and get it right under the lamp. And if anyone's curious, I cured the base coat for 30 seconds and I cured the color for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the second coat. Here I'm being a little bit more careful. I'm doing a little bit thicker of a layer just because I want to be able to cover up, whatever places I did miss. You guys, this color is so pretty. It reminds me of the jade egg color that used to come in the Crayola box. Do y'all remember that? I'm gonna see if I can put a picture. But I'm gonna cure this for another 60 seconds. You want to make sure that you cure it all the way through. It's very, very important to cure your gel polish all the way through because it will lift. It will be extra sticky. Every gel polish has a sticky layer that you spray off or rub off with alcohol. But if it's very sticky to the point where you could have color residue on your hands, it's not cured all the way. You have to cure it all the way through. Here I'm taking an orange wood stick. I dipped the tip of it in acetone and I'm literally just cleaning up the sides where I can on my nails. This was, oh my gosh, you guys. I'm not the best painter, I'm not even gonna lie, but I like how it came out. Now I'm gonna go in with the soak off top coat. I really like this top coat. I've messed with a lot of top coats, specifically gel ones, And this one actually has to be my favorite. It's not too thick, it's not too runny, and it's very, very shiny. I love that so much. I love a shiny top coat. And I did cure this for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in on the rest of my fingers. Like I said before, I like to cure my thumbs separately. You guys, this top coat is like so good. I would actually wear this alone. You know, I have no problem showing my real nails. I would wear this alone. It's very pretty. I'm gonna start putting the final touches on my polish. I go in with a little bit of cuticle oil to bring my cuticles back to life, and boom bam, you guys, that is the final look. Madam Glam, it was so nice to give me a coupon code for you guys. If you're interested in trying any Madam Glam products, feel free to use the code on the screen and click the link in my bio to get money off. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you guys, stay furious.